Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel The Crochet World. This is a crochet baby dress suitable for newborn baby. This is a newborn size frock or baby dress. First you take foundation chains. I have taken total 68 chains. 20 is a front neck stitch, then 14 sleeves, then 20 back side, and then 14 another sleeves. And you take total 68 chains, and then you join it together with slip stitch and make one big circle. This is a neck portion of this baby dress. Then make 2 chain, count as a first half DC stitch and make one half DC stitch in each stitch except the 20th stitch. In 20th stitch you make 2 half DC, 2 chain and 2 more half DC stitch. This is a corner space of this neck portion. Make 2 half DC, 2 chain, 2 more half DC in the same stitch. Now I am making the sleeve portion, so make for 13 half DC stitch, and in 14 stitch make 2 half DC, 2 chain and 2 more half DC stitch, and you repeat the same stitch in this round. I have 4 side, 2 side of the front and back side neck, and 2 side of the sleeves. So make 2 chain, count as first half DC stitch, make 1 half DC stitch in each stitch, and in corner you make 2 half DC, 2 chain, 2 half DC stitch, and you increase your stitches in this way. In every round you make 3 to 4 lines or rounds of the same stitch, same pattern. And this is a sleeve portion, and now I am making one single crochet in each stitch all around, and for joining the sleeves you make 3 or 4 chains and join together the sleeves. make one single crochet in each stitch. Hello friends, I have made the one half this stitch in each stitch. Only the body part or lower part of this baby dress. You do not increase any more stitches. You make only one half this stitch in each stitch, and you also make the one half this stitch in the next 3 chains also. I have completed my 4 to 5 lines of the half this stitch. Now this is a waist part of this baby dress, so I am taking white color yarn and make one slip stitch and make, I have taken two make one double crochet in each stitch. Here I will attach one flowers, that's the center of this dress, so I am using the white color yarn, thread, and I have completed my round, and then I am changing my color of thread and use orange color thread and make here I have increased my stitches, so make 2 half this stitch in each stitch. This is a frill part of this or lower part of this baby dress, so you make here you increase your stitches, so you make 2 half this stitch in each stitch. Now I have taken light yellow color thread and make 2 half this stitch in very first stitch, then make 2 1 half this stitch in the next 2 stitches, 2 half this stitch in first stitch, then 2 half this stitch in the next 2 stitches. In the third stitch make 2 half this stitch. You repeat the same stitch in this round. In the next round you do not increase any stitches, make only 1 half this stitch in each stitch. I am using multicolor yarn. I repeat it. One half this stitch in each stitch. Now I am making 3 chain. Count as a first DC stitch. Make 2 more DC stitch in the same space or same stitch, 1 chain. Skip the next 3 stitches and make 3 half DC stitch in the next stitch, and you repeat the same pattern in this round, and you also repeat the same stitch in the next 2 to 3 rounds. This is a granny square pattern. Now I am changing the color of my thread and repeat the same DC stitch, 3 DC stitch in the space between DC stitch, and then one chain and go to the next space and make 3 DC stitch. Repeat it in this round. I have completed the 2 to 3 lines of the granny square, and in the middle I am using the only 1 half DC stitch in each stitch, and this is the length of this my baby dress. And now I am making the frill or bottom part of this baby dress. So take your favorite color thread and make 3 DC stitch in each space and make 1 picot, 3 chain, go to the third chain from your hook and make 1 single crochet. This is a picot stitch. So 3 DC stitch, 3 chain, go to the third chain from my hook and make 1 single crochet, and then 3 chain, you go to the space and repeat the same pattern in this round. This is my own pattern. This is totally free, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel The Crochet World, and please like my videos, comment me or feedback me for better videos, and thanks for watching. And here I am making attach one flower also.